So I just got my BMI statement. By the way, thank you so much, BMI, for making your royalties paid out sooner than scheduled. Really, really appreciate that. It's really awesome. I wanted to give you guys a little look at what it feels like sometimes to get royalties once you get into your career long enough that you start getting royalties, and how it's simultaneously very exciting, really cool, and also very confusing because there's so much unknown going on with these royalty statements that we don't really know why we're getting paid, what we're getting paid. I'm going to show you right now in this video why I have some confusion, but why I'm excited, because for some reason, the last couple of royalty statements, my tracks have gotten a lot of play with the Golf Network, with Golf Central. Didn't plan that to happen. I'm not a golfer myself. I don't watch it, but hey, I'm not going to be mad at that. And some nice big hefty royalties have been coming in actually through the Golf Network, as you can see here. This one, $243 for one placement. I think that was the biggest one. But across the board, these are pretty healthy ones. You know, about $50, 120, 50 down here, 30 there. So not small amounts of money. So it's really cool. But what was really interesting is what I've usually been told and what I've noticed, I guess, generally, is that when you have longer placements like this one, you can see in the timing column, this is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And you can see how many times they've been placed. These are all one times, right? A couple down here, I had a few two timers that it was placed, or it was aired 2 times. But these are all one times that they were aired. And 2 minutes and 30 seconds, which is a long time for one of my tracks, this pound to pavement track that I have here. $28. So, okay, not a huge amount of money, but right above it, only at 1:30, which is a minute less, got me $243. There's no super usage. Same kind of usage. These BIs mean background instrumental, and they're all BIs. So I've told you guys that's the vast majority of the income that I make. Why is this track earning me $243 and this one's only earning me $28 when it was played for a minute longer? I don't think I have an answer for that. It's one of these things where the PROs don't really openly publicize why they pay what they pay, what algorithm or what calculation goes into that, how they determine that. But as you'll see when you look through just at least this one section of my royalties, that it's generally true that the longer your placement is, the more you're going to make, because some of these bigger ones, I guess not this one, this was only 50 seconds. That one got me $46. This one's 235, got me up to 35. A minute long here got me 47, and 350, which is this is the longest placement I think in this entire one. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. That's a long time for a placement. $14. Why? I don't think I can give you guys an answer for that. So it's a really interesting industry to be a part of, because sometimes you look at that and go, I should be getting more. That's, I put a lot more value into that program because I gave you guys 3 minutes and 50 seconds worth of value with my music. But according to their calculation or whatever they decide for these royalties, nope, it was $14 worth of value. And for some reason, this one, 1:30, just had a lot more value, $243 right there. This one was $210. I aired it for $210 and I ended up earning $121. So I don't know if I can tell you guys, what this is all about, because it is pretty much a mystery to all of us that are receiving our royalties. So I just wanted to be transparent to let you guys know that simultaneously, even just with the Golf Network here, $720 from one network and one royalty check. I'm like, not mad about that at all. And that's great. It's a really hefty, actually really significant chunk of money. So not complaining about it all. But there's always that other side of me that wants to know why, why are some of my really, really long placements not getting a larger number of, or a larger payout for that, because I'm adding a lot more value to it. So it's a mystery, and I don't think we're going to be getting any answers anytime soon. This has been something that's been going on in this business since the very start of the PROs. We'll see what the future brings. There might be some situations where the future will allow us to be a lot more transparent, maybe through a blockchain technology that allows us to trace and track placements in real time, so we can actually see directly how much things are getting paid out and why the value is being assigned to it, and just have a little bit more of a transparent understanding of what was going on. So, but until we get to that point, right now, the PROs, especially BMI, they are my best friend. I'm not complaining. This is not a complaining video. I hope you guys don't take it that way. This is a sort of thankful video, but also just being real with you guys that there are still a lot of things about this that we just don't get to see. We just don't get to understand exactly why we get paid out the way we do. But the PROs, the BMIs, the ASCAPs out there, they are the reasons why I'm able to do this. And they're the reasons why a lot of you guys will be able to do this full time. So we need to obviously show our appreciation and our thanks for what they do out there, especially BMI during COVID. I have to say that they've really stepped up and they're paying out their royalties ahead of time. And they've just been really, really great on all that kind of stuff. So I've really just been very thankful that I've been with BMI. I do highly recommend them. They don't pay me to say that. I just think that they're a great partner to be with, especially for TV, film, music licensing. And as you can see in some of these royalties, this is one of the reasons why I love BMI, because they do pay pretty generously actually out for the placements that I've got, especially the BI, background instrumental. That's what you're going to see mostly on your royalty checks as you get into this business. So anyways, guys, quick video today. Just wanted to share that with you. Hope you're having a great one and stay productive.